Hi, this is Todd again from Low-Chlo. Today we're going to talk about changing the diverter in the three-way valve, which is on the bypass of your Low-Chlo tank. So from the factory, the diverter comes with an inlet on this port here, which would be the stem of the T if you were looking at the valve like this. As you can see, if this is the configuration that you plumbed it into your system, this would now be the inlet. So we need to make a change inside the valve to make sure that you can't ever close this port, which would cause deadheading of your pump. So what we do is we take the 8 bolts out, which I've already done to save time. Then you take the handle and you would turn this valve until this inlet marker now is at the actual inlet port. Once it's in the right position, you can go ahead and put your bolts back in. I strongly advise against using a drill to put the bolts back in because you could crack this cap if you use too much torque. Once the bolts are back in place, you'll then want to set your valve for proper flow back through the bypass and water going to our Low-Chlo tank. Typically, on an installation configuration like this, the handle would be at about the 130 position if you were looking at it down like this as a clock. That is going to ensure enough water goes back to the pool with chlorine, and the rest of the water goes through the tank and gets sanitized properly. Thank you.